Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Max 3 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the right side of the phone a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here just correct, but a little bit slow. Just you can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.